Today I'm looking at an item that this company sent me to do a quick review on. What this is, it's a candle warmer, which is very interesting. I kind of like it quite a bit. It's got a nice look to it, as you can see here. This is made out of wood. This is all glass. It's got this nice copper look to it, so it's really kind of cool. I love the look of it. It's made pretty well, I have to tell you. I like it a lot. It's got a rubber bottom on it, as you can see here, so you can put it on any surface, don't worry about scratching. It does have a power cord. It has an adjustable, it has a timer. They give you us a couple of light bulbs. So these light bulbs are 50-watt halogen bulbs, okay? And they put them inside here. Very easy to install, super easy. They just pop in right here. What it does, it just warms up the candle. So instead of lighting the candle and worrying about a flame, you don't have to worry about that. You have a really cool light, and you have a purpose of the actual light itself, and also a functionality of warming the candle, which is kind of cool. A wood wick candle, and I have a regular. There's a couple different candles that I have just for demonstration to show you how you use it. So basically, what you do is you take a candle, take your lid off, and you put it under here. So what the idea is that it warms up the wax and gives off the aroma without actually using the flame. What it looks like. And then you can turn up the intensity. I don't know if you can see my finger here. Turn it down. Turn it all the way up. That's all the way up. So what this is doing is it's throwing off a nice warm glow and also throwing off a little bit of heat. So what this does, it just warms up the wax, and just eventually it'll just give off a nice aroma of the wax, melts it slowly, and it's a really great idea of doing it. You have your timer, as I said, and if you want to lower the intensity, just hit that button and lowers it down. Cool looking piece, and just a fantastic item. I definitely recommend this one.